I'm installing the app. This is the auth workflow. The app is installed on the store, Beta Test X1. There are mainly two components in the app, the campaigns component and the audiences component. This app allows the store owner to create advertisement campaigns on the Facebook. We are allowing 3 campaigns: cart abandoned campaign, parts purchaser campaign, product viewed campaign. We can create a campaign by clicking on create button. Here user can enter how he wants to show the ads on Facebook. He can edit the information here and then the preview will be updated. Let's just click on next. We could enter specific countries if we want to show ads to particular country, and then we could select the time days, like for how many days the cart should be abandoned. If we select 15 days, those users will be selected which have abandoned the cart for past 15 days. Let's just click on next, and then we have to select the daily budget. How much is the budget on how much we would like to spend daily on the Facebook ads. I will just select $10. Okay, the campaign is created and initially it is paused. We could run it by clicking on activate button. Now the campaign is active and the ads will be shown on the Facebook. We could edit the campaign here from this screen, and the other part of app is audiences. We could create custom audience on the Facebook, and there are 3 type of audiences: add to cart, path purchaser and viewed content. Add to cart are those audiences which have abandoned the cart for like 1 day, for 2 days. Past purchasers are the audiences which have purchased some items in past 1 day, past 2 days and past 3 days. And similarly for viewed content, this is the audience which have viewed the product on the store in 1 day, in 3 days, in 7 days. We could create an audience by clicking on create icon. The audience is created, and similarly we could create the other audiences. Okay, and that's about the campaign part, the audience part, and then the billing. Currently we are offering free plan with 1 pixel and unlimited campaigns. And the settings part, the settings are which business manager we are using to show on the to use for the Facebook advertisement. And the pixel part, we are using this pixel to collect the audience data. And then there is FAQ section. Here user could see how he could use the app. We have make a getting started video. The user can learn how to use the app from this video, and there are other questions. That's about the testing part of the app.